Kids today need to hear and understand that there's a lot of ways to success. There's a lot of different paths that they can take to being happy and fulfilled. They live in a world where 24/7 they're told how they should look, how they should act, how they should feel, who they should be. And in reality, it's a lot of pressure.
Being a teen today can be extremely challenging, especially with all the pressures we're facing, like academics, social media, the judgment of others, and wanting to fit in.
We're losing far too many young people today to suicide, prescription drugs, and alcohol poisoning. Many of them are suffering from depression. Teen Esteem offers assemblies starting in grade school, middle school, and high school through our energetic, passionate speakers who talk about current and relevant issues, especially as it relates to academic pressures and social media.
Teen Esteem impacted our students in several different ways. It validated many of the feelings that they're having and going through right now as adolescents, and that was the biggest impact. I strongly urge any school who's considering adopting Teen Esteem as a program for their families and students to go forward with the program. It really enlivened our parents. It made our parents realize that the school does care and wants to do things for their kids. And at the same time, the most important stakeholders, the kids, realize that the adults on campus do care about them.
We need to help our kids better understand the importance of trying to find their passion. Find something that excites them, because when they do, they're going to have a much greater opportunity to be happy and successful in their life.